guys! Good afternoon! Hapon na guys, and yeah, for the past days I haven't vlogged anything kasi I was busy doing hair sa salon, and excuse my face kasi I'm getting ready to film a video. Yeah, I will be filming a video today. I am planning, so that's why my face is like this. It's undone kasi I need to go to the toilet first. So yan, hopefully matapos ako guys, but hindi ako nag-worry kung mawala ng sun kasi I have my lightings on. Yeah, I think I'll use my lightings na lang para even yung ano. So I will just be filming an intro for a a review today. Ayan, I need to do my hair to kakalurky. So it's been a while since I have eyeshadows on my eyes guys. Grabe, and eyeliner. And I suck at eyeliner right now. Oh my god. Yun, so I just took a break because I went to the toilet, and also Sashi texted me, and I have my phone here in this room charged kasi doon ako sa kwarto namin nag get ready. I wanted to film a get ready video, but I don't think na may time pa. Yeah, I wanted to finish it. I want to finish the intro pala as soon as I can kasi I need to upload tonight, and since I was so busy for the past days, I didn't have the chance to edit those videos that I have. So yun, I'm rushing kasi it's already 4 p.m. and I need to publish my video at 7:30 or 8 p.m. tonight. Oh my gosh, I'm cramming. So yan, I miss you all guys. Grabe. I miss talking to the camera. Kasi nga, for the past days, wala akong ginawa. I was trying to film, but there's nothing to film really kasi ayun nga, I was so busy. So ngayon, hopefully I could film na para I wanted to really stay consistent on my YouTube video guys. Yeah, that is my goal for this year. Okay, basta that is my goal. So shut up na muna ako guys, and I will just finish this face and para makafilm na ako. So I'm gonna see you later. Bye guys. Ayan, I'm ready. Everything is turned on. There's my light there, my camera, and yeah, ang kalat dito. So yan, we're ready, and I'm just cooling a little kasi ang init kasi I've been setting up everything. So yan, this is the part where it is so tedious kasi nga you need to set everything up, but I wanted to do my makeup first para kasi if I do the setup first, then mapapagod ako after, so it would end up na ayoko nang gawin. Yeah, so I just did my makeup first. Yan, ito yung makeup natin for today. It's been a while that I did a very dramatic eyes. So yeah, I'm just cooling. Yan yung fan, tapos yung kalat ni Rookie. Guys, so because I am planning to turn off the electric fan after when I start to film. I'm just cooling a little kasi mainit lahat yung ilaw. Ayan, we're ready. There's me, and I'm just going to do some final adjustments. So since I have a ring light here and I have a light back, so I'm just going to set the ISO to 100. Yan, lowest na setting, and everything's perfect. Then I'm just going to, wow, ang hirap, turn the light para yan, it is yan. So ready, so you could see me better, and with a lower ISO para mas crisp yung video natin. Ayan, and I'm also going to turn this light. I have a headlight here too. Grabe, ang dami guys, and it's so mainit. And I have everything on sa likod, sa taas. So it looks so good, and I also turn on ko na din yung camera, but This is ang laki ng pimples ko, guys. But, well, I don't care. It's not that I don't care. I don't have any choice. So, mag-film na ako kasi it's already 5 o'clock and I am planning to do intro videos for 2 videos yun. So, I wanted to do 3 but I don't think that I could make 3 kasi I don't want to make my camera overheat again kasi nasira yung camera ko before, guys, because of overheat. Off muna natin. Kasi yan. So I don't want to push my camera to the limit, so we will just be doing 2 videos. So yeah, see you later. Oh gosh, I'm finally done and my eyes are sweaty because of not sweaty, wet because of the electric fan. Yan. Nandoon pala. Yan. So, I'm finally done with my filming and I'm going to edit this as soon as I can because baka maging busy na naman ako, guys, and I will not have the time to edit again. Oh my god. Yeah, that is the most tedious part, is the editing. Did you like my lipstick? But did you like my pimples? Oh gosh, it looks so creepy. Whatevs. So yan. It's so init. Grabe. And I already turned off the ring light kasi it's so hot in this room because I have all the windows closed because background noise issue. So yun, I'm so happy and the kids are home from school. Rookie fetched them from school. Yeah, he's the one to fetch. So I'm going to go down upstairs. So I'm gonna go downstairs and I'm gonna remove this makeup, this lashes. This lashes is so big. Grabe. Oh, grabe. From afar, it looks so beautiful. Looks so natural, but in person, guys, no kidding, it is so big. I'm gonna turn on the ring light so you can see properly. Ayan, those are my lashes. Wow, looks so weird. Ayan, grabe, diba? My lashes. My face is so ewy. I still have a lot of bumps going on. A lot of you commented that or messaged me that I use this and that, and yeah, I'm gonna try those, guys, and hopefully it will work for me. It will work on my skin, and if not, I will be very, very sad because although the situation on my forehead has subsided a little, yeah, I think a little, these are not bumpy anymore. These are just scars. I have red scars. I don't have dark pimple scars, guys. It's so weird. Yeah, it has subsided a little, but hopefully it will be gone. But I still have something going on here. Because malala my the time of the month is almost there, so maybe that's why I am having this. And you like my lipstick? This is NYX round lipstick. Yeah, very, very old lipstick, but an oldie but goodie. But the lashes though, guys, I'm gonna make this a thumbnail. My lashes. Yan. Diba? So big. Yan, grabe. So big. But yeah, so enough me rambling because I've been talking for 3 minutes already. It's roughly 4 minutes. So I'm just gonna go upstairs, turn off everything, and yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna ask Sashi and Baba what are they going to eat. So yeah, I'm just going to prepare food for them and start editing and yeah, prepare for I have a makeup gig or appointment on Saturday, so I'm gonna prepare for that, and hopefully so busy. I still have a hair bonding the next day. Oh my gosh. So yeah, enough me rambling talaga, guys. Serious na to. And I'll see you later. Oh, this is the real deal. I already removed my eyelashes, guys, kasi ang kate. I haven't worn eyelashes for a long time.
You have a visitor.
Owi, 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 owi. Oh, grabe. Kanina ko pa sila play. They're home from school. Hi, ate. Hi, Awi. You're from school too? Hoy, baba. Hi, ba. How's your school, ba? Ba. Kapoy daw. Pero 4 months. Walang school si Baba, but still, 2 days pa lang guys, na nag-school siya. Tapos, he's tired. She's tired
May
already.
patubalag to yun na ito, no?
Hi, Awi. Hi, Awi. Awi is speaking outside, guys, gabi. I'm asking, Hoy, what are you going to eat? Pancit Canton? Pang kaday?
I am sakit.
Ikaw, what you gonna eat?
You
Uy,
know what?
ka-cute. Ano niya, uy.
Look at my woman.
Filler. What? What you wanna eat? My
Sakit akong
baby.
puson.
Oh, sakit yung puso. I don't care. Ikaw ba? What you wanna eat ba? Ay, they're not listening. They're not answering. I'll just go to my Dodge Langga. Chaman to akong Dodge Langga. Uy, siya did na dara ay. Uy, ako ning Dodge Langga. Miguel is whining. He's the whiner. Quack, quack. Oh, di din quack, quack. He's not a duck, man di ay. What are you talking about? I heard you both talking something. Hi, Miguel. So, you're not gonna eat pancit canton? Okay, don't bother because I'm gonna start editing now. And I will not cook pancit canton. Okay, bye. Bye.
Corn beef na lang akong kanin.
Yeah, you eat corn bits. It's bits. So I'm just gonna... I wanna remove this lipstick because this is bothering me. It's getting my nerves. Because this is such a creamy lipstick and... Yeah. If you know me, I'm not a lipstick person. Hala, nag-goiled na si Miguel. So I'm gonna hurry. So, I'm gonna drink coffee, guys. I need coffee. Yeah, I need coffee. My second dose of coffee today. So, I'm gonna see you later. Hopefully, I'm gonna see you later. I'm gonna say goodnight later na lang, guys. So, oh my god. So, yan. See you later. Nang they changed their mind. They wanna eat pancit canton. Wow. Ang layo naman ito. Pero, wala. Parang, I don't think meron pang kuan, ate. Blue na lang, ate. Ay, meron pa. Meron pala ba? Ano? Chilimansi na lang. Chilimansi? Chilimansi kay Baba o kay ate. Tapos ito nga. Yung favorite namin. Paulit-ulit. I've been featuring this a lot in my vlogs, guys. If you haven't tried this one from Payless, masarap siya. And it's only 14.50 pesos. Nag-increase na pala. Dati ano lang, 14 pesos lang. Ngayon, it's 14.50. But it's much cheaper compare sa Lucky Me kasi yung Lucky Me is 9 pesos. Tapos, this is twice the size of Lucky Me. So, magluluto ako niyan and I'm gonna get some kaldero. Wrong one. Why is this not yan? Guys, kain tayo ng pancit canton. Ayoko sanang kumain ng pancit canton, but nasuya ako kinala ate at Baba. Say Tagalog sa nasuya eh. Basta nasuya na I was jealous of them eating pancit canton. So, I'm gonna eat pancit canton. And, yun, chili mansi yun sa akin kasi ito yung favorite ko na flavor. And I'm having coffee too with my Hello Kitty mug. Ayan. Matagal na din ako hindi nakakain ng pancit canton, guys. Kaya okay lang din. But it's not good to always eat this kind of food. It's a processed food. Ayan. No. But at the same time, guys, I'm gonna say goodnight na kasi I wanted to finish doing what I do. What I'm doing. Oh my god, being silly again. So, yeah, I'm gonna say goodnight na and I hope you have a wonderful day today as always. And always remember to be nice, be kind, and keep that smile. And I'll see you on our next video. Good night!